How are you, students? Welcome to your geography lesson prepared for grade 9 students. Instruction 1 says that choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Question number 1. A Greek geographer propounded the definition of geography for the first time was A. Yeats, B. Eratosthenes, C. Lenny Churchill, D. Vasco da Gama. Eratosthenes was a first Greek geographer who tried to define geography for the first time. So the answer is B. Question number 2. As a discipline, geography do not have a single definition. This is due to A. Its scope is wide and static. B. Its extent of study area is large and not dynamic. C. Its study area is limitless and very wide. D. Its study level is very wide and not static. Okay. What question number 2 says that as a discipline, geography do not have a single definition. Akka disipiliinii barnoota tokkotti ji'oogiraafiin hiika qeenxee tokko hin qabu jedha. Kuni maaliif ta'eedha? እንደ ዲሲፕሊን ጂኦግራፊ ነጠላ ወጥ የሆነ አንድ አይነት የሆነ ትርጉም የለውም። ይህ ለምን ሆነ ነው የሚለው። ኤ its scope is very wide. Yes. And static it says. Not static. Not static. Not static. But dynamic. B. Its extent of study area is large and not dynamic. It says dynamic. Okay, not here. Okay. C. Its study area is limitless and very wide. Is limited. Its study area is limited to time and space, not limitless. D. Its study level is very wide and not stated. So this is the correct one. The study level of geography is very wide and it is dynamic, not static. D. The answer is D. Question number 3. A geography which studies about the interruption of humankind in environment is A. Physical geography, B. Human geography, C. Oceanography, D. Climatology. Question asks that the branch of geography which studies about the interruption of humankind in environment. This means it's going to ask about human geography. Okay, so the answer is B. Why? Physical geography is natural. Okay, natural. Whereas oceanography is also a branch of physical geography. Climatology is also a branch of physical geography. So, human geography is a branch of geography that studies about the impact of human beings in their environment. Good. Question number 4. Blank is the study of supply and the demand in a market. Blank is the study of what? Supply and demand in a market. A. Cultural geography. B. Tides and waves. C. Population geography. D. Economic geography. Cultural geography studies about culture. Cultural geography studies about culture. Whereas tides and waves are oceanography. These are oceanography. Population geography studies about populations, about mortality, days, migration, fertility. Okay, whereas D, economic geography. Economic geography studies about the supply of products in a market and the demand of the buyers in a market. So economic geography is the answer for questions. It is the answer. It is the answer. Good, students. Well, let's proceed to question number 5. Question number 5 says that which of the following is not the major focus areas of geography? Bear in your mind. Which of the following is not the major focus areas of geography? It says A. The Earth, its position in the universe. This is the steady focus area of geography. The steady focus area of geography. Okay. This is the steady focus area of geography. B. Different relationships between human beings and their natural environment. This is also right. C. The major economic activities of human and the impacts on their environment. This is 2. This is 2 correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay. D. None of the above, it says. D. None of the above, it says. So the answer is D. None of the above. Good. Question number 6. Which of the following branch of geography is odd? Odd. What does mean odd? Students, odd. This means different. Different. Okay, different. Odd means different from others. Okay, so which one is different from the others from the branch of geography? A. Geomorphology. B. Oceanography. C. Soil geography. D. Anthroposphere. Says geomorphology is a branch of physical geography that studies about formation and deformation as well as evolution of the earth. Oceanography studies about tides, waves, rivers, oceans, streams, lakes, and the like, water bodies. So it is also a branch of physical geography. Soil geography is also known as pedology, which studies about the types of soil, the distribution of soil, factors affecting for their destruction, and the like. This is also known as or categorized to physical geography. Anthroposphere. This is the cultural landscape of a society. So this is not similar with others. It is odd. It is different from geomorphology, oceanography, and the soil geography, which are categorized under physical geography. While anthroposphere is what? Anthroposphere is human geography. Human geography. Human geography. Okay. Question number 7. So the answer for question number 6 is D. Anthroposphere. Question number 7. The neighboring country of Ethiopia with the longest boundary line is A. South Sudan. B. Somalia. C. Eritrea. D. Djibouti. It says the longest boundary share of neighboring country in Ethiopia is, or for Ethiopia is, South Sudan. The answer is A. The shortest boundary length shared between Ethiopia and Djibouti. Okay, so the answer is A. South Sudan. A. South Sudan is the neighboring country that shares the longest boundary length with Ethiopia. Question number 8. Ethiopia is found north of the following neighboring countries in Africa. Which neighboring countries? A. Eritrea. B. Kenya. C. Sudan, D. South Sudan. It says here Ethiopia is. Ethiopia is, where is Ethiopia? Ethiopia is here. Okay. So, to which of the following neighboring countries Ethiopia is found north of? Okay. So, Ethiopia is found north of Kenya, whereas Kenya is found south of Ethiopia. Ethiopia is found to the southwest of Somali, and Somali is found to the southeast of Ethiopia. Eritrea is found to the north of Ethiopia, whereas Ethiopia is found to the south of Eritrea. So the answer is Kenya. Ethiopia is found north of Kenya. Good. Question number 9. In strategic location, Ethiopia can be described in the following, except it says A. In southeastern Horn of Africa, B. To the southwest of Asian continent, C. To the south of Europe, D. To the northwest of the Indian Ocean. So, Ethiopia is found to the northeastern of Horn of Africa, not southeastern. So, the answer is D. The answer is not D. The answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, sorry. The answer is A. Ethiopia is not found in southeastern of Horn Africa, but she is found in northeastern of Horn of Africa. The correct answer is A. Not it says. Not it says. So Ethiopia is found to the southwest of Asian continent, to the south of Europe, to the northwest of the Indian Ocean, but not in southeastern of Horn of Africa. Good. Question number 10 and the last. Which of the following is not the advantage of Ethiopia owing to her large size landmass? A. Diverse agroecological zone. B. Possesses a large amount of arable land. C. Have a great variety of mineral resources. D. Large budget expenditure for military purpose. Ethiopia is more benefited from having large land size with having diverse agroecology, possesses large amount of arable land, have a great variety of mineral resources, but she becomes disadvantaged with expensing more budget for military values. So the answer is D. Thank you, students. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like, comment, and the following. Goodbye, students. Goodbye.